Hey, this is Truman Murphy from Cadence Fishing, and I want to talk to you today about the new Stout Saltwater spinning reel. When you're fishing in salt water, you want a tough and durable reel that will last. The aluminum alloy body and GV5H rotor is corrosion resistant, tough, and doesn't flex under heavy loads. The 7+1 ball bearing system gives you maximum smoothness during retrieval. We've used premium sealed bearings to keep corrosion out and to ensure a long-lasting reel. The carbon fiber drag system really helps improve your performance on the water. When those aggressive fish bite and decide to run, this drag gives you a powerful, consistent drag force, which can be the difference between a good day on the water or a bad one. The Stout is available in sizes from 1,000 all the way to a 6,000 size. Some additional features that you will love is the braid-ready aluminum spool. This allows you to tie braid directly onto the spool without backing. We've also coated each reel with our saltwater treatment to prevent corrosion and ensure reel longevity. All of these features give you a reel that will help give you an edge when fishing.